Walt Disney World has 4 parks, 2 water parks, and a shopping, dining, and entertainment district. Sometimes, there just isn't enough time to do everything in one trip. But how do you decide what to do and what to save until next time? This can be one of the hardest parts about planning a Disney World vacation, and as someone who's been to the parks numerous times, I want to help you have the most stress-free vacation possible. Hey everyone, it's Christian with Vertigo Views, and I'm a theme park enthusiast and travel agent with over 25 years of experience researching, visiting, and working in theme parks. With my honest advice, personal touch, and deep expertise, I want you to have an unforgettable, stress-free experience every time you travel. In this video, we're going to compare Magic Kingdom versus Animal Kingdom to see which one is going to be better for you on your trip. While you'd ideally be able to visit both, hopefully this guide will help you decide if you can only pick one. Want to have an amazing Walt Disney World vacation? Work with me as your travel advisor and authorized Disney vacation planner. With the help of my host agency, which draws travel, you'll have a stress-free Disney adventure, whether you're a family with kids, a solo traveler, or part of the LGBTQ+ community. Get started with a free quote now. The link is in the description below. When it comes to sheer volume of rides, there's no disputing that Magic Kingdom easily beats Animal Kingdom. Magic Kingdom is the most visited theme park in the world, so naturally it has a large number of attractions to help accommodate those crowds. Can you do Magic Kingdom in one day? It's tough to experience everything on your first visit, especially during busier seasons, so I'd recommend visiting multiple days or buying Lightning Lane to get as much done as possible. I've been there numerous times and I still haven't seen everything at that park. Animal Kingdom may not have as many rides as Magic Kingdom, but that doesn't mean Animal Kingdom doesn't offer quality rides. There just aren't as many. For years, a lot of people considered Animal Kingdom a half-day park. However, with recent additions like Pandora, The World of Avatar, and the upcoming new America's Land replacing Dinoland USA, Animal Kingdom is quickly becoming a full-day destination. Personally, I can spend an entire day there now, even though it doesn't have as many rides as Magic Kingdom. Magic Kingdom is loaded with classic Disney attractions: Space Mountain, Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, Peter Pan's Flight, It's a Small World, and Haunted Mansion. You've even got newer favorites like Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, Tiana's Bayou Adventure, and Tron Light Cycle Run. If you're after that quintessential Disney experience filled with nostalgic rides you've probably seen at Disneyland or on TV, Magic Kingdom is the place to be. Animal Kingdom, on the other hand, puts its emphasis on, you guessed it, animals and wildlife. The theming here is much different, and the rides reflect that. Many revolve around nature, conservation, and the different themed areas of the park. Animal Kingdom happens to have my personal favorite ride in all of Disney, Expedition Everest. It's also home to Avatar Flight of Passage, Kali River Rapids, Navi River Journey, and Kilimanjaro Safaris, which is essentially a real open-air safari ride through a massive wildlife preserve. You might find yourself stopped by an animal crossing the road, and the animals roam much more freely than in your typical zoo environment. While there are more rides at Magic Kingdom and more classic Disney attractions, Animal Kingdom offers a lineup of immersive, unique experiences you won't find anywhere else. Like with rides, Magic Kingdom leads in quantity when it comes to shows and entertainment. It's known for its parades, castle stage shows, and, of course, the nightly fireworks complete with castle projections. There are also fun, quirky shows and attractions like Monsters, Inc. Laugh Floor, Country Bear Jamboree, and the Enchanted Tiki Room. These are classic Disney experiences. Animal Kingdom may not have as many shows, but the ones it does have are genuinely impressive. Festival of the Lion King is one of the best shows on Disney property, with talented singers, puppeteers, acrobats, and fire performers bringing the classic Lion King music to life. Next to Fantasmic at Disney's Hollywood Studios, this is probably my personal second favorite show at Walt Disney World Resort. Animal Kingdom also has Finding Nemo, The Big Blue, and Beyond, a fun musical retelling of the Pixar film, and Feathered Friends in Flight, a live bird show with exotic species flying overhead. While Magic Kingdom wins in volume and Disney nostalgia, Animal Kingdom holds its own with world-class live entertainment that feels unique to this park. If you want to meet Disney princesses, Magic Kingdom is where you'll find them. It's home to characters like Belle, Ariel, Cinderella, Snow White, Tiana, and more. You'll also find Mickey and Minnie in both parks, though their outfits will differ. At Magic Kingdom, they wear their classic attire, while at Animal Kingdom, you'll find them in safari gear, ready to explore the wild. Animal Kingdom also offers some unique character meet and greets you won't find elsewhere, like Kevin, the giant bird from Up, Rafiki, and Pocahontas. At Magic Kingdom, you'll occasionally spot characters like Winnie the Pooh, Peter Pan, and others in Fantasyland and Adventureland. So it really depends on what characters you want to meet and get photos with. Food and dining is one category where, in my opinion, Animal Kingdom has Magic Kingdom beat, and it's honestly not even close. Magic Kingdom does have some iconic snacks like Dole Whip, churros, and Mickey pretzels, and they're classics for a reason. But when it comes to overall food quality and variety, Animal Kingdom really shines. They've got sit-down spots like Yak and Yeti, which serves up Asian-inspired dishes, and my favorite quick-service restaurant on Disney property, Satuli Canteen in Pandora, home of the famous cheeseburger pods. Animal Kingdom is also known for its barbecue, particularly at Flame Tree Barbecue, and those seasoned fries everyone seems to rave about. Magic Kingdom does have a few standouts like Skipper Canteen, which I love for a sit-down meal, and Cosmic Ray's Starlight Cafe, where you can grab a burger while enjoying a performance by animatronic Alien Lounge singer Sunny Eclipse. But overall, the food at Animal Kingdom is far more diverse and higher quality than what you'll find at Magic Kingdom. If you want to pre-purchase your meals ahead of your trip and worry less about spending money while you're on vacation, consider purchasing a Disney dining plan. Adults can even get an alcoholic beverage for each meal on some plans. Magic Kingdom is modeled after Disneyland in California, so you'll get that classic castle park vibe with lands like Fantasyland, Adventureland, Tomorrowland, and Liberty Square. It's a traditional Disney theme park in every sense of the word, fairy tales, castles, and childhood nostalgia everywhere you turn. Animal Kingdom, however, focuses on nature, wildlife, and conservation. The theming here is deeply immersive with lush environments, authentic architecture, and details you could easily miss if you don't take time to look. The park's centerpiece is the Tree of Life, with hundreds of animals carved into its trunk and roots. It's also home to Pandora, the world of Avatar, which is stunning both day and night, especially when the bioluminescent lights come on after dark. Both parks are beautifully themed, but each offers a different kind of atmosphere. Magic Kingdom feels like stepping into a Disney fairy tale, while Animal Kingdom feels like exploring a living, breathing world. The crowds also play into the atmosphere of both parks. Magic Kingdom is the world's most visited theme park, so it can often feel crowded because of its popularity and sheer number of attractions. Animal Kingdom, however, tends to feel less hectic, meaning it can usually be a little less overwhelming and a little more relaxing to visit. When it comes to personal favorites, Expedition tops my list as my favorite Disney attraction anywhere. And I genuinely love Animal Kingdom. It's probably my favorite Disney park out of all the ones I've visited, and I've been to Disneyland, Disney California Adventure, and all 4 Disney World theme parks. Animal Kingdom is definitely worth it to me. It feels a little bit more relaxed, less overwhelming than Magic Kingdom, and offers a perfect mix of thrill rides, live shows, great food, and an excellent cocktail at Nomad Lounge if you're so inclined. That said, Magic Kingdom is a classic for a reason. It's the most visited park in the world and home to many experiences you can only get in a castle park. From the original Space Mountain to the nightly fireworks, Disney Princess meet and greets, and newer rides like Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, Tiana's Bayou Adventure, and Tron Light Cycle Run. While Animal Kingdom might be my personal favorite, I completely understand why so many people choose Magic Kingdom as their top Disney destination. It's a classic, iconic park that delivers those essential Disney moments people travel from all around the world to experience. So, which park is best? It ultimately comes down to your preferences to determine which park is going to be best for you. If you want the most classic Disney experience with princesses and classic Disney attractions and shows, Magic Kingdom will be best for you. If you want a calmer, more lush environment with animals and world-class attractions in one place with great food and dining options, Animal Kingdom will be best for you. But don't let the decision of which park to visit stress you out. Work with me as your travel advisor to help you plan your next Disney World vacation. I can help you decide which parks you can fit in based on your budget and timeline, and even help you by planning custom itineraries to make sure you see everything that's important to you. Reach out for a free quote to begin the process of having your next magical adventure at Magic Kingdom, Disney's Animal Kingdom, or both. The link is in the description below. Until next time, stay safe and have a magical day.